My name's Kirsty and I'm the General Manager of the Courtyard Exeter Sandy Park Hotel. This hotel opened in April 2022 and it's a 250 bedroom property. So it's the biggest hotel that we have in Exeter and it's very unique in its location because it's located just off junction 30 of the M5, so very easy to get to. And it's also located in the same complex as the Exeter Chiefs Stadium and the Sandy Park Conference and Banqueting Centre. It's also home to the View restaurant, which is very unique in its offering. So not only does it have a beautiful view over the River Exe and the countryside, it also serves local food, so local sustainable products throughout, cooked by our very own Richard Hunt, our executive chef here.
It was great being invited to participate in this project. It's a brilliant development here at Sandy Park. To be honest, I've never been a true follower of rugby, but from day one, I could sense the anticipation, the excitement from everyone. Everyone was totally on board.
So I actually started work on this project quite late. So when I came into it, Airwave was already the chosen supplier for the TV system and the Wi-Fi, kind of working very closely with our Wi-Fi provider to make sure the technology was ready for our guests upon opening. I have to admit, the service that we've received from Airwave has been absolutely brilliant. Right from the word go, right from when I came into the project, they were able to answer any questions that I might have, able to give me all the facts and the information about the TV systems going into the bedroom, very easy to work with, which is exactly what we needed at a very busy time. And it's been absolutely brilliant feedback from our guests so far in terms of making sure that they've got all what they would need, a business traveller, a leisure traveller, everything they would need for an enjoyable stay from the TV system.
I have to admit, I'm a huge Exeter Chiefs fan now. They'll surely give me a lot more pleasure than Arsenal have over the last few seasons.